I got paid to do this. Subscribe, make it real, bitch.
Hello, Sardiva here. So today, I was trying to record the intro, but it started to rain and shit. So I'm basically stuck under this plastic thing over here. Like we have, unlimited supply of water over here. How you see, it's very fresh water. So yeah, basically I'm waiting for the rain to stop because I need to record the intro. Like today was a sunny day, but I came here, I started to record and it started to fucking rain. I found these plastic bags and I put it against some branches, and now it's basically, it's my little crib. And this roof doesn't help that much though, because it's like leaking all over the place. Yeah, so this is my stuff over here. Let me make it a little bit more lighter. Oh, here we go. So this is my stuff. Yeah, it's all wet. That's some fucking roof. Oh, this is my epic bike. Look at the brakes though. This is high quality brakes. See, they totally work. They totally work. Like, this is a pretty good place. In the middle of the forest. Found a little thing here. Someone built this, not me though. Like someone put some branches against some branches. Pretty intelligent people, pretty good. Though look at my socks though. You like my socks? They're Tripolowski socks. Special edition. Pretty good. I'm like sitting under this fucking roof I made for like 5 minutes. And it's still raining as hell, Fucking mosquitoes. Fuck off, cunt. Fucking bitch. Yeah, there's basically a bottle there. It's probably beer. So yeah, there definitely was some hobos here. Ah, good hobos. Always come make good house. Yeah. Everything is fucking wet. Everything is fucking wet. Look at this shit. This is my shitty tripod. For 20 euros. It's wet as fuck. Not good. There's the stick. It's wet as well. My backpack. This. Oh yeah, though I'm sitting on my bucket. See? Yeah. It's a pretty good chair. Like there's springs here. If you see that. I don't know why you want springs on a branch, but hobos are very creative. So fucking mosquitoes. Okay, so I guess I'll sit under this fucking roof for 20 minutes and hopefully it stops raining. This was a short video, I know, but yeah, have a good day and subscribe, like, comment, and yes, goodbye my friend. I go wait until it stops raining. Have a good day. Yeah.
I'll show you some fan art. So this one is me sitting on the ground with my Adidas tracksuit, holding a banana to my face and trying to kill myself. I will probably pull the trigger with my foot and the banana will blast my face off. Yes, Dazom, LOL, XD, Adidas. Pretty good shit, Okay, let's go to the next one. So this one looks pretty cool as well. It has this cool zipper thing here. I like that shit. What the fuck is this though? Wait, no, this needs some improvements. Wait a second. There we go. Oh. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, so this is pretty cool as well. It's made by a dog, I guess. Yeah, okay, so thanks dog. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh. And now, guys, this one is the best one. This is what I call real fan art, okay? Look at this shit. This is what I call fan art, guys. See? It even got my name right. It's De Giver. De Giver. Pretty good. There's a fish thing here. There's a naked Minecraft woman here. I guess this is his signature or some shit. Yeah, oh my god, look at this shit. Make it real. This is what I call fan art, guys. This is an accurate picture. An accurate picture of Make It Real, guys. This is insane. There's even a dick. I don't even need to draw anything on this one. It's good. It's good. Okay, so if you want to send me fan art, send it here, XD. And yes, goodbye.
Oh, Russia. Russian dancing men. Oh yes, we're Russian dancing men. I'm dancing with the purple hen. I've also got this ballpoint pen.